Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Star Wars Day. It is May 4th, so that's why Mrs. Carter has this lovely Star Wars hairdo, and I got my Star Wars t-shirt on. Our story this week is Who Do We Look Like? And it's all about some animals that you might know. So let's take a look at our story. And right on the front cover, what are some animals that you see? I see a giraffe, an elephant, a penguin. Those are Mrs. Carter's favorite. What else? Kangaroo. Yes. Yeah, and a beaver. All right. Let's take a look at our story and learn about some of these animals. So who do we look like? Turn the page. It says, I have skin that is gray and wrinkled. I have big ears. I have a long trunk. Where are the elephant's ears? Yeah, good job. Right here. All right, where's his trunk? Very nice. Yeah, it's like his nose, his trunk. Good job. I look like my mother. My mother is an elephant. I am a baby elephant. There's Mama Elephant, and there's Baby Elephant. I have thick fur. I have big teeth for cutting trees. I have a wide, flat tail. Where's his tail? Can you point to it? I look like my father. My father is a beaver. I am a baby beaver. There's Daddy Beaver and Baby Beaver. And they look alike, don't they? They look similar, but baby's smaller. Ooh, here's our next animal. What animal is this? I have a long neck. Can you point to the long neck? It is very long. I have long legs. Where are the legs? Right here. I have a long tongue that I use to grab leaves. I look like my mother. My mother is a giraffe. I am a baby giraffe. Where's Mama Giraffe? Yeah, here she is. And where's Baby Giraffe? Nice job. Oh, Mrs. Carter's favorite. I have black and white feathers that look like a tux. A tuxedo is a fancy outfit that you might wear. I have flippers instead of wings. See these flippers? I have a beak for catching fish. Where's his beak? Nice job. I look like my father. My father is a penguin. I am a baby penguin. Would his father be an elephant? No, that would be so silly, right? Penguins have penguin babies. I have strong back legs for jumping. I have big back feet and a big tail. I sleep in a pouch. What animal is this? Yeah, I look like my mother. My mother is a kangaroo. I am a baby kangaroo. Where's Mama Kangaroo? Where's baby? Right there. We are baby animals. We look like our parents. Very nice. What animals were in our story? Elephants. There they are. What other animals do you see? Penguins. What else? Giraffe, beaver, and kangaroos. Very nice job. The end. All right. Thank you for listening to this story. There are some questions that go along with this story posted on Seesaw. See if you can use this story to answer the questions. What was our story about, and what did we learn about these animals? Thanks for watching.